One thing I could think about as I'm, spending years alone and kind of misanthropic and cautious of everything is if there are any organizations that I could actually partner with in any way. Perhaps there's organizations that have grants. Perhaps there's organizations where I can safely invite members of it to visit. I made some other videos about that, about groups that I can invite. It's kind of risky, but I could have parts of the land set aside for doing that kind of thing, for workshops and outside people. And because that's something that, if you can have a win-win partnership, would be fantastic. I'm not very confident about having those because a lot of people are looking for win-lose relationships where I lose, and I'm pretty damaged at this point, and it's my own fault for serving people in ways that don't serve me. But I definitely have to set up partnerships with individuals or organizations, and there are definitely some organizations that I'm not compatible with at all, that I don't want to have anything to do with them. Yeah, I think about that shit real careful.